Hey y'all, today I did a Valentine's makeup look for you guys. This is a look I came up with, I think like a couple days ago. I just sat down and wanted to do a makeup look for Valentine's Day, and this is what I came up with. I really like it and I hope you guys do too, so if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. So before I get started, I just wanted to let you know that I did do my eyebrows already before off camera, but if you guys want to see a tutorial on how I do my eyebrows, just comment down below and tell me that you want to see that and I'll do it for you. So I'm going in with this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Concealer in the shade 1. This is Classic Ivory, and I'm just going to put this under my eyes. I'm just going to put that same concealer on my eyelids to prime. So I'm going to take my ABH Modern Renaissance palette and this e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm gonna go in with this color Venetian red, and I'm gonna go in and put that in the crease. So like what I do, so that because I kind of wanted it to be like higher up in the crease instead of on my eyelid, you know, I take it and I dip it on one side like that, and then since it's only on one side and like not on the other side, I take the side that it's on and point it upwards and then put it in the crease, like so the color is facing towards my eyebrow so that it will be higher up instead of like getting on my eyelid. So I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about what's been going on today. And there's gonna be like a little change of plans in my videos, because I know the last video that I posted, I think I told you guys that the next video that was gonna go up was gonna be kind of like a vlog explaining some other things to you guys about some things that were happening in a makeup video that I filmed for you guys. I'm not gonna be uploading that vlog next. I'm gonna be uploading this video. So this video will go up after the one that is titled explaining where I've been. So after the last video that I posted, this video is gonna go up just because it's getting close to Valentine's Day and I wanted to have a video up for that. And then after this video, I'll probably put up that vlog because I don't have anything else planned that needs to go up before anything else. What isn't gonna happen is that makeup video that I was originally talking about. Like, I had another makeup video that I was planning on putting up on my channel for you guys, but there's going to be a change of plans because I was editing that video a little bit ago, and what happened was I was thinking about uploading this video and recording this video, and I record all my videos on my phone, so I don't have like a lot of space to be recording like multiple long videos and then just like having them on my phone because I'll run out of space quickly. So what I thought I would do is, since I already had my other makeup video in my iMovie, I thought that that was gonna like stay there if I deleted the full video on my camera roll. So I deleted the full video, and I even deleted it from my recently deleted, and then I went back on my iMovie to finish editing and thought that it was just gonna be okay, but it wasn't. Right now I'm going in with the Maybelline Color Tattoo Metal in 55 Inked Pink. So this color. I'm just gonna be taking this on my finger and putting that on my eyelid. So basically I just lost that video, and I may later in time record that same makeup tutorial and get it up for you guys. I mean, I was really disappointed, and I still kind of am. Like, I'm disappointed in myself for like doing that because like I kind of knew that that was gonna happen. I'm just a little bit upset, but you know, life goes on. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get this other makeup video up and just move on, and we'll just go from there. But for now, this video is going to be the next video going up, and this will be the makeup tutorial that I have for you guys. I'm going to be setting that cream eyeshadow that I just used with a shadow from the Jaclyn Hill palette. It is going to be this sparkly color right here. This is Sissy. And I'm going to be setting this with my finger as well. So just taking that on my finger and just patting it on the cream eyeshadow. So now that we've set that, you're just gonna go in with that pink color and just gonna be blending in the crease again, just in case any of that other pink color got into the crease from when we put it on our lids. So just tap off most of it and put it back in your crease. I know it looks crazy now, but it will come together, I promise. Now that we've done that, we're gonna take this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go on our right eyelid and we're gonna draw a heart. What I did when I first did this look was I went in and I like pulled my eyelashes on and I closed my eye like that and I just drew a heart the best I could. So I'm gonna try to do that again. So we're gonna start like right here. I'm just gonna do this in the middle. So this is what it looks like. So now that we've drawn the outline, we're going to take our NYX glitter primer and this small, just any small lip brush. This one doesn't have a brand, and we're just going to take some of the glitter primer on the brush like this, and then we're going to trace the heart with the glitter primer. And you're also going to put the glitter primer in the inside of the heart too. Okay, now that we've done that, we are going to take this NYX glitter. This is just a red glitter. And we're going to take that. We're going to take it on the lip brush again. And then just pack the glitter in and on the outline of the heart. So that is what it looks like now. So if you need to, you can go in and put more glue and more glitter wherever you feel like you need to, or wherever you feel like spots could be better. But make sure you take your time on this and get close to the mirror so that you can see, because it's not easy. It's not extremely easy to do. Like, you do need to concentrate so that you can make sure that it actually looks like a heart instead of just a blob. So right now that's the best that I can get it, but you can see that that looks like a heart. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back in with the AVH Modern Renaissance and this e.l.f. blending brush. We're gonna go back in with the Venetian red color, and we are just going to put that on our bottom lash line. So the lashes that I will be using today are these Salon Perfect. These are just from Walmart. I didn't know if I would like these, but I honestly love them. They are my favorite pair of lashes. So now what I'm gonna do is just take the Kiss Ever Easy Lash Glue and apply it to the lashes, and then just use some tweezers to put them on. Let it dry a little bit. And then glue the lashes on. So then to blend my natural lashes with my false lashes, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, and we're just going to be putting that on our top and bottom lashes. Now we're going to line the waterline with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. And then what I did next was I took this little lip brush. Okay, so this Physicians Formula Butter Highlight in Champagne. And let me just tell you guys, this highlighter I think is the best drugstore highlighter that you can get. But look at that already, and then you swatch it. Do you guys see that? That is the best drugstore highlight I've ever seen in my entire life. So I'm just packing this highlight in my inner corners and making it really pop. I'm going to be putting it on my nose. This is a very dramatic look, so I like to put on a lot of highlighter. Now I'm going to be taking my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer and this Bare Minerals angled brush, and I'm going to be bronzing up my face. And then for my lipstick, I use this NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee. And then you are all done. So, now I can take off my ears. And this is the finished look. That's it with my eyes closed. Hopefully you can see because I can't. But yeah, this is the finished look. I really like it and I hope you guys do too. So if there's anything else you guys want to see, or any other makeup videos, makeup tutorials, or anything else, you guys can leave a comment. Please like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye. Took this, maybe I should put the lid back on so I can show you guys. Or not. So I'm just packing this highlight in my inner corners. Hey guys, no.